Welcome to our interview preparation series. And today's question is, why are you looking for job change? This is a common question in job interviews, and answering it effectively can make a big difference. What is the importance of the question? Interviewers ask this question to understand your motivation, career objectives, and assess your compatibility with the company culture. Answering it well can set you apart from other candidates. Let us understand how to answer this question. Show enthusiasm for the new opportunity rather than focusing on what's wrong with your current job. Talk about your desire for professional growth. Explain how the new role aligns with your career goals and how you hope to develop new skills. Connect your answer to the new job. Mention specific aspects of the role or the company that excite you and how they align with your skills and interests. Reason for job change could be relocation to new city, the company going out of business, looking for change in career path, or being laid off or let go. Do's. Focus on the positive reasons for the change. Highlight your career goals and growth. Align your answer with the new job's opportunities. Keep your response professional. Practice your response. Don'ts. Don't speak negatively about your current or past employers, boss, or co-workers. Avoid mentioning salary or benefits as the main reason. Don't overshare personal issues. Let's put it all together with an example. I have enjoyed my time at ABC company and have learned a lot in my current role. However, I am looking for new challenges and opportunities for growth. I am particularly excited about this position because it offers the chance to work on innovative projects and further develop my skills in sales. I believe that my experience in customer relationship management and my passion for technology makes me a great fit for this role. And that's it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep refining your response and you will be ready to impress in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you.